Hi everyone, happy Tuesday, Emer Mulvey here. I'm just popping on to say that 𝐵róga Dance School is opening today after a wonderful summer break, and we're going to bring you along with us this week, just so you get a feel for a week at 𝐵róga Dance School. Just finished here in Masterson's National School in Manorhamilton. We had a wonderful morning with the junior room and the senior room. We're doing a 4-week block of lessons, which we do in most schools. So we have 1 complete here, 3 to go. We are heading now from Manorhamilton to Grange for our evening class. Hi everyone, I have just landed here in Grange Hall and I am ready to go and set up for our new club members that are starting. The registration forms are out and we are so excited to meet you all. For now, it is time to unpack the car, charge everything, reload the car, and we have another very busy day tomorrow. We are starting a brand new venue tomorrow in County Roscommon, and we are still continuing on with our classes in Ballintoher. Thank you so much for tuning in all day today, and we have another busy day ahead. That is day 1 done, and we're back in action. Thanks a million, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. I hope you are all keeping well. I have just arrived here in 𝐶𝐄 Hall in County Roscommon ahead of our brand new venue starting tonight. Hello everyone, we are here in 𝐶𝐄 Hall. We have just set up, ready for our new club members, and Kayla is here, so she's going to introduce herself.
Hi everyone, I'm Kayla. It's lovely to meet you all, and we're so excited to get started in 𝐶𝐄 tonight and meet all of our new members.
We sure are, and we will chat to you in a bit. Bye! Hi everyone, we are just finished a very successful first class in 𝐶𝐄 Hall. We have to get in the cars now. We have to drive down to Ballintoher to see our Ballintoher club members. How do you think the 𝐶𝐄 class went, Kayla?
It went really well, and it was so lovely to meet all of our new members.
Hi everyone, we are here in our Ballintoher venue and I'm going to introduce you to our Ballintoher teacher, Miss Chloe. Hi Chloe.
Hi everyone.
How did your class go?
Very good. We had a great first class back and I can't wait to see them next week.
Brilliant.
And so it's Kayla here at the Ballintoher Intermediate and Advanced class. So I'm going to let you in on some of the action. So Emer is teaching them at the moment.
I'm only getting a chance to check in with you all. I hope you've had a lovely day so far. I've been very busy getting ready for the Riverstown venue tonight. We have new students joining us from Lewisburg, Tyrone, Castlereagh and Castlebar. Just arrived here in the Morrison Teachcheol in Riverstown ahead of our classes this evening. Our schedule tonight is we have our beginner class, we have a couple of one-to-ones prior to that, and then we have our intermediate 1 kids, our intermediate 2 kids, then we have our advanced events troupe, our teenagers that have been with us since day 1. It is now time to bring in all the equipment, set it up, get the registration forms out for our new club members. It's going to be a very busy evening. Here of our Riverstown classes. I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek into the classes.
Kayla and Alana here, so I'm going to introduce you to another one of the dance teachers.
Hello.
Alana, how was your classes tonight?
I went really well. I love meeting the new kids.
Hi guys, it's Alana here. I just thought I'd give you an insight to the Intermediate 2 class. This is them.
Into our advanced kids class here in Riverside.
Okay guys, we're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you.
Wow, oh wow, what a fantastic evening it has been. Look how dark it is outside and the quiet here, oh my goodness. We have had a fantastic evening and we even got our first TikTok of the season up. So thank you so much for Kayla for organising that. Happy Friday. It is nearly the weekend. I have just arrived here in 𝐓𝐇𝐄 in Strokestown to do some dancing with the 4 TY groups. Hi everyone, I have just arrived here in the Teeling Centre in Clooney and I've set up for all our wonderful club members and our newbies. We're really excited to meet you this evening. Hi everyone, our Clooney teacher has just arrived, Miss Alva.
Hi everyone, how are you? I can't wait to see our returning members and some new club faces too.
Hi everyone, that is a wrap on our Friday classes in the Teeling Centre in Clooney. It is finally the weekend. We hope our club members really enjoyed this evening's class, and a massive thank you to our Clooney teacher, Miss Alva, for them wonderful videos she put up there earlier. Thank you so much guys, have a lovely evening. I will try and check in with you over the weekend. It is going to be a busy I'll try bring you along and try and post a few clips, but thank you so much for all the love and support, and we will chat to you soon. Hi everyone, I am here in Summerhill College. I am at Star Factory today, so I'm a choreographer for the Star Factory, which the theme we're doing this term is Broadway tunes, so very different from the Shanos dancing, but I absolutely love it. And Karen picked a very good colour t-shirt for me, the Broga Brewer colours, so I'll try and post a few clips, but we're in here every Saturday and we get ready. We have a theme each term and then we put on a show. Thank you.